We have seen the fold, the flip, but here is the roll. This is a design that is completely out of the box. In the recent times, we have seen most of the smartphone companies striving to increase the screen real estate that they can provide for its customers, including the Samsung Galaxy Fold, the LG Wing, and now Oppo is the latest to enter this game of expanding phone screens. Yes, in the recent Oppo Innovation 2020 event, it unveiled the prototype of the phone with a rollable OLED screen, Oppo X 2021. During the Oppo Innovation Day 2020 presentation, the company revealed its weirdly surprising rollable OLED screen smartphone. The phone at normal state showcases a 6.7-inch display, and at the expanded state, it has a screen size of 7.4-inch. The smartphone uses what Oppo is calling a continuously variable OLED display. The screen expands with the help of a proprietary roll motor powertrain. A simple swipe gesture at the edge of the phone can be used to expand the screen. No matter how hard or how long you look at it, you can never figure out from where this extra screen is coming. In the demo showed off by the company, the device's UI was able to adjust itself depending on the current size of the screen, even resizing the video as the display expanded and contracted. That's a pretty dope OS. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, a sub to the channel would be incredible. And just as a reminder, the company experimented with an under-display camera last year, but that still haven't been made a mainstream release. Oppo X 2021 is definitely an awesome smartphone, but there are still many things to be figured out before they can take this phone mainstream. Many companies are coming forward with these technologies of rollable OLED screens. OLED Space is a company that provides rollable OLED televisions for living rooms and such. Oppo X 2021 has curved edges, and there is another thing that draws attention to these screens. The screen can bend. Yes, but not too much, but it bends. It has a high-strength screen laminate that Oppo is calling WrapTrack that strengthens the screen and allows it to achieve a bending diameter of 6.8 mm. And other features include a USB Type-C triple camera on the back of the phone. Oppo doesn't reveal too much about these smartphones' working or technologies, so we have to wait till the official launch of this in 2021. As 2020 has already given us too many surprises, they have decided to launch this one next year, though the prototypes are out on display. This Oppo Innovation 2020 event didn't mention anything about the AR glasses, which was creating quite a buzz in the recent times. But a recent tweet from the company reveals that the AR glasses will include a time-of-flight sensor, a simultaneous localization and mapping algorithms, diffractive optical waveguide technology, and gesture and voice navigation. These glasses have a pretty sleek design with the central area housing the sensors. So, these are all the news we could get about the Oppo X 2021 and the AR glasses. Stay tuned for further updates and other incredible tech gadgets review. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more of my content, press subscribe and touch the bell button so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching till the end. My name is Sanosh, this is Starboy, and I will see you in the next one. And as always, keep it real.